Hey everyone and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz and today I'm taking a look at the New Balance Impulse. It's always fun when companies are competing. Who got the best midsole, who got the best upper, who got the best colorway, who got the best this and that and this and that and so on and so on. It's always fun. So now New Balance has brought out their latest model. The Impulse is what it looks like at the front. So let's take it out. I got it in a US 11, which is my true to size. I would say either go to true to size if you want a snugger fit, because this is really snug fitted, especially on my right foot, or else go half a size up. Both of them works really well. So anyways, first impressions, super lightweight, excellent colorway with black and red and white, a little bit of silver here and there. It's a really nice looking shoe in my opinion. It has a booty upper construction, mesh material, really breathable, thin. We have these breathable holes all the way at the toe. Moving up, we have black thin laces. And then at the top of the tongue, it says Fuel Cell Impulse. So really nice. It feels great around your foot. This booty construction actually, it doesn't grip like an Ultra Boost Uncaged, so to say, but it still grips a lot. Looking at the side of the shoe, we have an entire mesh upper, really breathable, thin, flexible, feels great on foot. We have these wavy lines with the black underneath and then this vivid red orangey kind of look to it. It looks really good, in my opinion. What do you guys think about it? Leave a comment down below. At the back, we have the New Balance logo in silver. That's a little nice touch with this ribbon part right here as well at the front of the N. And that's it all the way around it. But what makes this shoe so great is, of course, this is a running shoe. So it has to deliver a little bit of cushioning, a little bit of energy return, and so on and so on. And what makes this shoe so great, all the other companies, they have more or less like one midsole and that's it, one material. But this one actually has two. It has Revlite at the back and then Fuel Cell at the front. I'll get into that in a little bit. First of all, when you're just running or walking with this one, you actually feel it's really comfortable. So the bag, it is comfortable. It's not Ultra Boost soft, but that's not my thing here. I'm talking about running and then not just the softest shoe, but this actually feels really stable and it's, in my opinion, a great shoe. So you're walking or running, it feels great, it feels stable. But what makes it so special then? Okay, so Revlite at the back. You start with Revlite, and then at the front you have Fuel Cell. So you have two different parts. So Revlite, you get that support, that cushioning that you need. And then once it transitions into the front and the Fuel Cell takes over, it is hard to explain, but it's soft. And then it feels like there's a kind of like, this at the outsole, this black part right here, like it's a little bit stiffer. And then when you move to the other part, it's soft again, but a different kind of softness. I know this is going to sound really weird, but hear me out a little bit. So when you go here and then you land on the Fuel Cell part, and then you have a different feeling. So it's like it's soft, and then a little bit stiffer, and then soft again, and then it feels like you tip over. It feels like you land, you have this stiffer part, and then you tip over. So it actually feels like you're exploding out a little bit, more than I felt it on other shoes, because other shoes have had the same type of midsole all the way, so it feels the same all the way. But this has divided into two different parts, and that is the reason why I'm so excited about this shoe, because this running experience maybe it's going to be even greater. I don't know. I haven't run with it yet. A little bit in my apartment and the different places. But so when you're running with it, it feels great. Trust me, guys. Go out and try it. I really like it. So Fuel Cell, Revlite, white at the front, and then you have this same color that's going to match the upper of the shoe on the Fuel Cell, and then the continuation of these wavy lines here at the Fuel Cell part as well. So that is about it. Taking a look at the back, we have this continuation with silver, New Balance, and then silver as well right here. Mesh upper as well. This pull tab, well, I don't know about this one. They could have skipped this, maybe just because of a aesthetic look maybe. I wouldn't really call it pull tab, but hey, it's nice though. You have it, looks good. Okay, so taking a look inside of the shoe, we have a black inner sock liner, and then it says New Balance Fuel Cell. Can I take it out? Yes, I can. Here you go, black on black, fuel cell. And let's put it back in right here. And then taking a look underneath, we have, there's a lot going on here. So it's white in the middle, says New Balance. We have these stripes right here. Taking a look at the front, we have the fuel cell. We can see it right through. And so we have these orangey red colors. And then so there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of traction. I feel that this one will probably last you a long time, in my opinion. So that is about it. Forgot about that. And the tips, white. I like it. Let's take an on-feet look. So what do you guys think about it? I actually think that this looks really good on feet. It feels great. The colors can't go wrong. Red, black, white, silver. It's very neutral colors that works well together. But the one thing that really makes me love this shoe is the way it feels when you run. This dividing part of Rev Light and Fuel Cell, big thumbs up. I can't really wait to see what New Balance is going to bring out in the future as well, with even better things like this with the dual midsole, so to say. Really nice. So what do you guys think about this shoe? Leave a comment down below and let's discuss what you think about it. If you haven't tried it out yet, go ahead, go out and try it. You most definitely like it. I think so. If not, leave a comment down below why you don't like it. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon again. Take care. Bye-bye.